Welcome and to Alphamantraining.com. I would like to tell about chess, playing chess, and how chess will reduce mistakes, will increase your memory and will reduce mistakes on making same delays. As you know, playing chess, the main thing is to calculate opponent's moves and to calculate your moves and get the advantage to actually beat the opponent. And your opponent is a girl, and you're making same delay, well, your opponent is a girl. So the less mistakes you make, the fastest you can get late. So the chess will increase your memory. So playing chess will increase your memory, and I recommend to play at least 10 games a day for blitz 10 minutes. In that way you will increase your memory, you'll also rank, and once you will approach girls, so your memory will be great. You will eat fish, you will play chess, your memory will be very high, you will think very ahead, you will make very less mistakes, and you will make same delays much more easier. So that's my main thing. Look, we're waiting you, and this one with you need to approach. You need to approach and go. So from my personal experience, I started to see how my dad is playing chess when I was 7 years old or 6 years old. I remember that, like in Soviet Union, was chess clocks, chess boards, and that was great to see how he's playing. He had first place in our hometown city, and his memory is amazing. So chess is a really great thing to see things ahead, have a great memory, and then it's much more easier to make same delay, because same delay is about correct moves, about approaching a woman and making calculated moves. So one your tiny mistake will cost you to not make same day banger, same delay. So the key for you is to calculate your moves, go up to the rank, reach the highest rank as you can, make less mistakes as you can, and make from approach to sex. That's the key. And they waiting you, to approach approach them, and just do that. So have a great day, and until next time.